Vitargus is an injectable, transparent oxyhyaluronic acid cross-linked hydrogel. It transmits all the wavelengths of the visible light. It has a reflective index of 1.34, which is very close to the human vitreous, which is 1.33. It's injected into the vitreous cavity in liquid form and form a hydrogel in vitreous cavity at the body temperatures. It will hold the retinal in place after the treatment and during the healing process. It is biodegradable and does not require removal by a second surgeries. Potential application as vitreous substitute include the retinal detachment and the vitreous hemorrhage, which require vitrectomy. The current vitreous substitute in market have two different categories. One is the gas, and the other one is the liquid. And the gas contain air, perfluoropropane, sulfur tetrafluoride, and the liquid used for long-term and more complicated retinal detachment. It contains the silicone oil and the perfluorine. The advantage of Vitargus are following. Vitargus is the liquid form during the injection, so there's no shear stress. The Vitargus can provide a very clear vision immediately after the treatment. It will hold and repair the retina in place, so there's no need to stay a face-down position for weeks. It allows the patient to travel and even to flying in altitude. Vitargus prevent the waters to come into the field cavity, so there's no emulsification issues. It's a biodegradable, there's no need a second surgery, and there's no complicated side effect during the recovery period, which happen in the silicone oils quite often, such as cataract surgeries. The results from the first-in-human phase 1 clinical study are following. A total of 11 patients were enrolled for the study, and the study have found the Vitargus is well tolerated and effective for the retinal detachment or the vitreous hemorrhage, which require the vitrectomies. There are no apparent toxicity to the ocular tissues, and there's a statistically significant improvement from the baseline in their visual acuities. And these justify for a larger pivotal medical device trial. We are communicating with the US FDA and Australia TGA for the next clinical development, as well as the PMA pathway. We're planning for a multi-nation, multi-site pivotal study and target patient with the retinal detachment. And we're expecting the clinical study report from Australia in late 2022. The global retinal surgery device market size was 1.56 billion in 2016, and it grew at a 7.8% growth rate through 2025. The treatment demand is driven by the growing prevalence of diabetic retinopathy, the growing senior population, and also the change of reading habit.